It's that time of year, it's Valentine. I'm Rich Ferguson and I put together the best collection of Valentine pranks that you can do. Now some of these pranks are perfect for people that are dating, some are perfect for those who are not dating, so watch the whole video and I guarantee there is something for you. And if you're new to this channel, subscribe right now so you never miss any of my uploads. Let's do this. All right, for Valentine's Day, you might get your significant other some jewelry. So here's what you do. Find a cardboard box and cut a hole in the bottom about the size of a finger. You're gonna have the hole off-centered. Stick your finger through the hole, stuff it all with cotton or some toilet paper, add some fake blood or ketchup, and then you can present her jewelry just like this. And don't forget, you can also be wearing the ring. Oh, you're so sweet. Ah! Share this video or else. It's really common on Valentine's Day to give out a box of chocolates. So what you do is take the chocolates out and enjoy them for yourself. And then what you do is put something else in here. It could be grapes, some raisins, or even something mean and disgusting like dog treats that are colored like chocolate. Oh, thank you, sweetie. Ooh. And don't forget this option, taste all the candies. It's just quality assurance. You want to make sure you're giving her good chocolate, that's all. And then you present her a box of chocolates that are half-eaten. Seriously, share this video. This next prank you could do with a friend. Grab your girlfriend, your wife, your sister, it doesn't really matter, and go out in public and prank people. It's so simple. Get yourself a ring box and a ring, and then kneel down in public and start to propose, and then the proposal goes wrong. Have her say something like, I can't marry you, I've been sleeping with your father. Anything outrageous just to give people around you a laugh. Check out these clips of a previous video I did.
Right here in front of all these people, I wanted to see if maybe you might want to spend the rest of your life with me. What do you think? What do you think?
What are you saying?
You thought we were exclusive?
I wanted to see if maybe by chance you might want to...
I can't.
What are you laughing at?
I can't marry you.
Why not?
You do not make enough money for me. I am so sorry.
While you're here, make sure you're a subscriber. Here's a really cute idea. Go up to one of the 25-cent toy vending machines, get out one of those plastic capsules, take out the junk, and then you're gonna put some jewelry, a ring, or something that you're gonna get your girlfriend for Valentine's Day, stick it in there, cap it up, and hide it in your hand. Then walk up to one of these things with her, open up the flap when she's not looking, stick your planted one in there, and then put in the quarter and pretend to pull out one of the new toys. Give her that, and it'd be a great surprise. Now, you could even go as far as proposing with one of these pranks. I happen to have proposed on Valentine's Day. Go check out my second channel, and I'll tell you all about it in the vlog. Maybe this Valentine's Day you just want to have some fun with your friends out in public. Here's what you do. Get some Valentine's Day cards or just some notepads and write some really sweet love notes and then stick them on people's desks, stick them into people's backpacks or purses, or even stick them on people's windshields, and then just enjoy, watch people smile as you make their day, as you give them notes that are from complete strangers. Here's another way to have fun with your friends out in public on Valentine's Day. What you do is get some cards, gifts, flowers, anything, and you're gonna go up to a perfect stranger, give it to her, and then point and say it's from that guy over there. And that person is a complete stranger as well, and all you're doing is playing Cupid or just pranking two people at once. It's hilarious. Check out these videos where I've done this before.
Study group around the corner, and one of the guys wanted me to give that to you.
No way.
Thanks. Hey, is there an alley that works here? This is from a gentleman that works at Krugsburg, I guess has a crush on you.
That's adorable.
All right, for this next prank, what you're gonna do is get a ring box or a jewelry box, but you're not gonna give her jewelry. You're gonna open it up and you're gonna stick in something like a Fitbit, a watch, anything that she may or may not have wanted, and then that's the gag. Now, if you want, you can give her the jewelry in another way, but this is just a really fun way to give her something and maybe even turn this into a proposal prank. Get down on your knee and go, sweetie, I know that, we've been together for a while. I just wanted to commit to you with our fitness, and open it up and give her a Fitbit or something like this. Just a funny way to mess with her head, make her smile. Oh, you're so sweet. It wouldn't be Valentine's Day without giving your lady a card. So here's what you're gonna do. Take the card out and you're gonna fill the inside with glitter or some powder, close it up, put it in the envelope, and give it to her. Oh, sweetie. Oh, You're still here, so you obviously like this video, so smash that like button. On Valentine's Day, you might have a romantic dinner, so what you do is you save an old wine bottle or dump the contents of one out, and then you're gonna get another bottle of something, like in this case, it's Martinelli's grape juice. You're gonna swap out the contents and then pour some lovely vintage aged wine and see if anyone even notices. That's damn good. So here's a great prank on Valentine's Day. If you're single and you're at school or walking around in public, get yourself a couple hangers, take one hanger and make a harness that goes over your head, and then just attach one more hanger that goes up and over so you can dangle some mistletoe up and over your head in front of other people. Now you can make something like this out of a heavier wire if you have it laying around, but this works perfectly. Just put a jacket or other shirt over this. So imagine this covered up, and then you walk up to people in line and you say, "Excuse me," and they turn around and they notice there's mistletoe over them. You can have so much fun with this, and now you don't necessarily have to get kisses, but this is just a funny thing to do with friends out in public. It wouldn't be Valentine's Day without giving someone a box of chocolates, but here's the prank. You're gonna open it up, take out the chocolates, and what you're gonna do is cut a hole in the back and carve out the inside and fill it with something like hot sauce or mustard. Let me show you how it works. Now once you have something in the inside, you're gonna melt some chocolate in another bowl and you're gonna paint it on the bottom to seal it off. And then when you're done, put them back in the container like this and you have a nasty surprise. For this next Valentine's prank, what you're gonna do is get a ring box or a jewelry box and you're gonna rig it with a spider or something they're afraid of. So dangle a spider or bug by about a 1-inch piece of string, stick it inside the box and close it up. And when they open it up, of course, it jumps out and dangles. Oh, what did you get me? Ah! It's Valentine's Day, and of course you're gonna give your significant other some flowers. This prank is simple and mean. All you're gonna do is take some flowers or a flower, and you're gonna spray on some liquid ass or liquid barf. This stuff is disgusting. I would show you what it looks like, but I don't wanna smell it. If you're expecting to get lucky on Valentine's Day, this is hilarious. Now girls, you could do this to your guys to make fun of them, or guys, you can do this as just a funny way to break the ice. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna very carefully open up the back of a condom wrapper, open it really close to one of the edges so it's not so obvious, and you're gonna take out the condom, put it aside, throw it away, whatever you want, and this is where you get to have some fun. You can put back in something like a really straight, small balloon, some misshapen balloon that's got all kinds of weird bumps on it, or best yet, get a hold of some water balloons that are super tiny and just stick in a little tiny condom. Close that thing back up and have it by the bed or in your pocket or however you're gonna present it, and I guarantee you there's gonna be some laughs. Now ladies, this is gonna just destroy the ego of your man. This is hilarious. If you guys do this, comment down below. I wanna hear about it. All right, ladies, this one's just for you. It's Valentine's Day. It's all about romance and love. Here's how you can prank your boyfriend to scare the hell out of him. Now, if you're not expecting to get pregnant and you don't want to be pregnant, this will be funny. Now, if you're trying to get pregnant, this is probably not the right prank to pull. So what you're gonna do is go to the dollar store and get yourself a cheap pregnancy test. Now, in this particular one, if you're pregnant, it shows 2 red lines. Open this baby up and get yourself a red fine-tipped pen or pencil, and all you're gonna do, draw 2 red lines, this is horrible, and then stick this with the trash and maybe some wet tissue on the sink in the bathroom and just let him discover it on his own. And act really suspicious like you have something heavy to tell him. This is epic. If you do this, comment down below and let me know how it went. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Do me a big favor, hit that like button and share this video with all of your friends. And if you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe right now. Turn on your notifications so you never miss any of my brand new uploads. That's it, you guys. I love you. I'll see you next week. Peace.